There are so many of us out there who need help with bedroom organization ideas. Between heaps of clothes, shoes, and everyday items all over the room, it's easy to wake up on the wrong side of the bed when your sleeping space is out of control. Luckily, we've researched high and low to bring you the best bedroom organization ideas that we could find. There are a host of brilliant style-forward solutions that will help turn your bedroom into the cozy sanctuary you deserve. Be it a storage basket, bedside caddy, a top-rated underbed bin, or even a simple tray, our picks are sure to go a long way. Then, once you have a place for everything, you can move along to the fun stuff like finding easy decorating ideas or that perfect piece of bedroom wall art. Your space is going to look streamlined and chic. Here's the top 10 small bedroom organization ideas. 1. Use hanging organizer over the door. Stash your prized t-shirt collection behind the door or inside a closet using a hanging organizer. It's neat, space efficient, and helps you find that vintage band tee you're in the mood to wear without tearing through your entire closet and drawers. I don't know about you, but I've been pretty much living in t-shirts for the past 3 years, and organizing your collection in a way that keeps designs easily visible is so helpful when you're trying to wear more than just the same 3 shirts over and over and over. 2. Side storage bed. Now this is what chic underbed storage looks like. This contract-grade bed features 2 built-in drawers on either side, which is perfect for tucking away extra blankets and bed sheets, or bulky items like sweatshirts and loungewear. 3. Storage charts sneak a super slim storage cart into that little space between your bed and nightstand because any space is potential storage space, gosh darn it. You'll be able to roll it right out when you need access to things, then push it back into the space to move it out of sight. You must put a heavier item in the bottom if you plan to roll it around. Otherwise, it's great for the money and perfect for what I needed. 4. Bedside caddy. If you don't have space for a big nightstand, these bedside caddies are a great solution. They can hold books or e-readers, your phone, the remote, glasses, and any other odds and ends you like to keep close. Enter the bedside caddy, an ingenious furnishing to store your weekly reading, iPhone, glasses, and other nighttime essentials. 5. Clothes rack. A clothes rack is a great way to keep your weekly outfits organized, and your mind free of worrying about what to wear every morning. This highly rated option is easy to assemble and also has wheels, making it easy to transport from closet to bedroom. Plus, it has a bottom shelf for shoes or other items. 6. Wall rack. The hardest things to organize are scarves, hats, purses, and other extras that don't fit easily into drawers. An accordion rack or wall hooks can help get the chaos under control easily. So bid farewell to bulky storage solutions and take home some of these handy wall shelf designs. 7. Under your bed. Fully utilize that hidden extra space under your bed or at the top of your closet with underbed storage bags. Perfect for storing clothes you won't be wearing this season and any other items you don't need access to on a regular basis. 8. Closet Kit. Convert an empty closet with 0 shelving into a modular system with shelving in whatever arrangement you need. This closet kit comes with all the mounting hardware you need for easily installation. It was super easy to do, and it has really taken advantage of every inch of space. 9. Floating bookshelves. Move the mountain of books on the floor of your bedroom to floating bookshelves, making them work double time as wall decor. You could even position them next to your bed so your current read is just an arm's length away. They're a great way to add some extra storage to our very small home. 10. Headboard with storage. If you don't already have a headboard, pick up one with storage. You can eliminate the need for nightstands once you have this to place your phone, books, lamps, and other nighttime essentials on. It takes up very little space in your bedroom and looks nice too. It definitely saved us some serious space in our tiny bedroom.